there, foodies! Ready to take a wild ride through the wacky world of snacks? The Daily Quiz presents Would You Rather? Snacks and Junk Food and Mystery Dish Edition. Don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering quizzes, and let's get this party started. Would you rather eat gummy bear, sour gummy bear, or what's in the mystery dish? It's giant gummy bear! Wow, this is so huge! Hot Cheetos, hot Takis, or the mystery dish? And the mystery dish is the world's hottest chip! Would you rather French fries, curly fries, or take a chance in the mystery dish? Cheesy fries! Now, what do you want to choose here? Prime, Gatorade, or the mystery dish? Are you waiting for a Monster Energy drink? Would you rather Coca-Cola, Pepsi, or maybe take a look inside the mystery dish? Oh no, it's just spilled Coca-Cola! Would you choose onion rings, wedges, or wait for the mystery box to open? And boom! The mystery dish is mozzarella sticks. Pick one, kick two. What would it be? Which candy would you choose? Or will you go for the mystery dish? Wow, it's M&M's mixed Skittles! Would you rather caramel frappuccino, chocolate frappuccino, or wait for the surprise? Strawberry frappuccino! Boston cream donuts, jelly-filled donuts, or burnt donuts. Would you rather Oreo, Reese's, or the mystery dish? It's Mars and Snickers chocolate bars. Pancakes, Nutella pancakes, or strawberry Nutella pancakes. Oh, I wonder what's inside the mystery dish this time. Oh no! Why do I have to take an empty box? Would you rather buttered popcorn, caramel popcorn, or the mystery dish? It's cheese popcorn. Hot dog, corn dog, or wait to open the mystery. Do you want this hot dog? Would you rather comment your name, comment your favorite food, or comment your favorite drink? Choose one drink. Would you rather rainbow cookies, rainbow jello, or something else in the mystery box? It's rainbow toast! So tasty! Ice cream cone, ice cream cup, or dirty ice cream on the ground! Ew, that's disgusting! Time to make some delicious choice. Would you rather chocolate cake, cheesecake, or chocolate cheesecake? Do you want to choose the mystery dish this time? I bet you would. Would you rather buffalo wings, orange chicken, or the mystery dish? Inside the mystery dish is leftover chicken bones, mac and cheese, loaded cheese fries, or open this surprise box. It's deep-fried mac and cheese! Next up, what do you think? Let's take some candy. Your decision awaits. Would you rather vanilla ice cream, chocolate ice cream, or the mystery dish? $100,000 golden ice cream! Strawberry jam, orange marmalade, or the mystery dish? Chocolate peanut butter! Sour Patch Kids blueberry, Sour Patch Kids strawberry, or Sour Patch Kids grape! I've never tried this flavor before. Chicken nuggets, chicken tenders, or the mystery dish? Fried whole chicken! Will you choose turkey sandwich, BLT sandwich, or the mystery dish? Bad luck this time. It's moldy sandwich. How about this? Tacos, burritos, or the mystery dish? It's cheesy nachos. Apple juice, orange juice, or whatever's in the mystery dish. fruit soda? Left, middle, or right? Would you rather cheese pizza, pepperoni pizza, or a mystery pizza? Oh no, it's burnt pizza! I definitely don't want this. Gummy worms, gummy cola bottles, or gummy sharks! Would you rather eat sushi, noodles, or eat whatever's in the mystery dish? It's golden steak! Can you choose one? Ew, no way I'm gonna eat that! Would you rather like our video, ring the bell, or subscribe to our channel? Next, would you rather eat eggs, sausages, or something else? It's bacon! Funyuns, Pringles, or the mystery dish? Oh no! Who ate all my snacks? Would you rather eat churros, pretzels, or the mystery dish? It's croissants! Looks so yummy! Will you eat what's in the mystery dish this time? I hope you didn't, because it's an alive chicken! Cheetos, fries, or Cheetos fries! Chicken with mac and cheese, chicken with fries, or the mystery dish? It's chicken sandwich! Oreo cheesecake, Biscoff cheesecake, or strawberry cheesecake. Next round. Would you rather bolognese spaghetti, carbonara spaghetti, or the mystery dish? Lasagna. Pizza roll, ice cream roll, or something in the mystery dish? Toilet roll. Choose one dish. Would you rather omelet, scrambled eggs, or the mystery dish? It's raw egg. Can you make a decision? Waffles, chocolate waffles, or the mystery dish? It's berry waffles. Last one, what would you choose? Good choice! Thank you for participating in today's challenge. If you like this video, remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you again in the next video. Goodbye!